got an idea, so I'm just going to go ahead with it and put it on canvas. Right, here we go. We've got some Indian yellow, phthalo green, some crimson, phthalo blue, some purple, ultra, I think it's called violet something, I can't pronounce the name, and some white titanium. Where do we want this yellow? Let's go around in the middle. Okay, we're going to put this all the way around here. So phthalo green here, and I'm going to put this all over this side basically. That's the green on. I'm going to go straight into that crimson, load the brush up, and we're going to put some around here. Leaving enough room for some blue. I want this one to turn sort of orangey here, so I'm going over the yellow. Quite a bit of sort of orange in here. Maybe pull some of that across. Like that. Going to the phthalo blue now. Same brush again, just dry, cleaning the brush in between. Oh, a bit of blue. Just a tad. And then into the purple, same brush again. Into that purple at the end. And then we just want to blend all them colours together. So first of all, I'm going to pull this yellow into the green. Just get rid of some of that line. Okay, and then dry your brush off very quickly. And then across into the crimson. Bring that yellow across. See here, I'm just going to sort of go down. Just blend them two in, push them about. Just pull that out and just blend that in. Right, into some white, titanium white with the fan brush. We'll just really work around here first. There we go. Okay, we've got that going on there. Just going to blend this all out now. Stay in the yellow, then go into the green. I'm going to go into the green now. And I'm just going to go straight over here into this darker blue and the purple. Right, so into the white. And I'm just going to pull down here and create a load of water basically. I'm going to do the whole lot. So I'm just going to pull down here. Just a little bit more around here. Because that's where the bright spot is, okay? There. Don't forget to share live if you can, guys, and tap the screen, you know what to do. If you're watching on YouTube, leave a comment, hit the like button, share to friends and family. And you guys on TikTok, don't forget the link underneath my profile picture on TikTok. Takes you to everywhere, all my socials. You can get discount on your paints, on your art supplies, and of course my website, the YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook. Just going to go across here. Being careful, okay? I'm going to dry clean. I'm going to go up to the crimson sort of area and then do that blue bit last, pull that in. Okay, just an easier way to do that. Also, already we've got awesome sky, awesome reflections. Now you can just do what you want. Let's use this crimson, a bit of the green, the blue, I'm going to make a dark colour here. Let's see, I just made this from that colour. Just going to go with that. Just a little. Don't want a lot of paint on this. See, that blue will make that just a little bit distant. Something like that. We'll use a brush and we'll pull that colour out, and then we'll start putting some highlights on. Love the colours, thank you. So just pull them out. Crimson there. Look a bit down here, we've got a little bit of red, reddish sort of pink sort of feeling. This is a big one there. deep old one, yeah. Just a dark colour there. Just make it all sort of rocky and shown like this. A little bit of mist around here, not too much because I'm going to have some trees here. A bit of black and just mix it all together and it should give us quite a nice sort of dark colour. Right, I'm going to bring this down towards this way. Something like that. Here we can just lift up and put some little trees. I'm not too sure what I'm going to have over this side yet, but this is background, so I'm going to lift up here and do these trees, and as they come closer towards us we can make them into bigger ones. Just somewhere where they are. Just trying to get the same sort of pattern going on. This is where we're going to make the reflections, obviously, of these little trees, the land. Pull them down, bigger as they come down here. Swipe across here and create these little reflections. Please share if you can, guys, obviously, and like. Just going to tap on some colour here. Just make a nice little waterline. Here we go. There it is. It's all gonna come in from over here. Just lay that water across there, blend that in. We're gonna have a little rock in between, and we're gonna come like this. Picking up all them lovely colours. There's something there. Put all this here. We're going to have a lot of trees here, I think. I'll push that back. Right, we're going to do rocks there. This a little bit to make it look like it's going more up there. So we're actually going to go and just smaller. Just smaller. Not so bushy at the front and then just smaller. So that's actually changed the look of that. So it's like coming round. So we've got some Indian yellow here. And I'll nick a little bit of blue. Let's just see what that gives us. A little bit more white in there, maybe. Yeah, I think we'll go with that. We can just come in here and put some little things. Just put a line in there. We'll have one of them trees there. Come down here and put this in here. Do a nice little tree here. See? Got an uppy and a downy tree. We won't see all of these. A yellowy ochre, bluish green sort of colour. Just follow them round there. A rock front on here. I'm just going to put some little things there, very lightly. And that gives you the feeling of rocks. That's got to come right down. Let's just pull this down, this colour. Just put some of that tree in there too. And then down. Don't want to lose all of that waterfall. Around here. So, mist this off here. got a little bit of mist going on. Very gently up on them rocks because you're going into the dark colour now. Over here we'll just carry that up the side of the rocks, down there. That's nice. Then we're going to finish the water. So we're going to just create this into some water here. Staying in the yellow sort of first. I think we'll just sort of do this. Over here's a little bit darker. There we go, look at that. There. And just shape these rocks, see? Just bring the bottom of that sort of water line across there. We can just pull some of that out. See, just gonna leave that bit of mist there. That's nice, happy with that. We'll go somewhere around here. Maybe we can just have it just in front of that little mist there. Just a little something just on the side of this rock. See, just a little bit of highlight on him. Yeah, I'll have to find one. This one's called Rainbow River. Okay, Rainbow River. Here's the important bit. The bit that's worth loads of money when I'm gone. There we go. But very happy with this one tonight. Really love all the different colours, and then you've got the mountains reflecting all the different kinds of colours from the sky. Of course, the waterfall coming through.